Hi, I'm Danny, and in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use royalty-free music from Pixabay in your social media projects. Okay, to begin, let's go to the Pixabay website. I've already set that up here, so I've just gone to pixabay.com/music. When I'm there, I get a page that looks a bit like this. I've got a search box here, so I can search for particular types of music, for keywords, or I can search by genre. So if I'm looking for a particular style of music, I want piano music, or I want a particular mood of music, I can search here. Let's go for genre and click on Show More. There's all these different bits, different styles, different themes. So let's choose genre of music. I'm going to choose solo guitar. So I'll click on solo guitar. If I want to hear what any of these sound like, I can just click on the coloured squares, and click again, stop it playing. So you've got its own little built-in player, so I can listen to the music. If I want to see some more information, click on the plus. It tells you what the mood is: strange and weird, and rock, laid back, and so on. And then if that is a piece of music that I want to use in my project, I can click on the download button, and then the download box will pop up. And as normal, when you're saving a file, you just click save file and OK, and I will put that into my project. It comes down as an MP3 file, so you can then go into iMovie or whatever and then do the file import and import that music into your project. It's pretty straightforward to use. There are loads and loads and loads of audio clips here. I'm sure you'll find lots that are useful for you. And also, just be aware, while you're on Pixabay, there is also a load of royalty-free images. There is also illustrations and clip art, vector images, as well as video clips. If you're using video clips in the project and you want some extra video clips to put into your movie without going out and filming them, there's lots of stock video footage, again all free as part of Pixabay. It's a fabulous resource. No attribution is needed. It doesn't hurt if you can do it, and you can also, as a feature, to buy the people who've made some of these resources some coffee as well if you want to. But it's a free site. Use resources, it's all royalty free, and then when you upload these projects to social media like Twitter and Facebook and YouTube, you're not going to fall foul of copyright infringements because you're using royalty-free images and not somebody else's copyrighted music. Hope you found it useful. As always, if you like these videos, please hit the subscribe link below and like this video. Any questions or comments, please throw them in the comments below as well, and I'll answer them as and when I can. More videos to come. See you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.